Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to find the correct size on your pool spa replacement filter for the Pentair Clean Clear 150. That'll sometimes be listed as the CC150, and this is also for the American Predator 150 as well. The 150 stands for 150 square feet, and that's how much media is in the filter. So you can see it's pleated media in the filter. And the right weight that you want for a pool filter is 4 ounces per square yard, and that's what this filter is. All of the Atomic filters are made in the USA. So the quickly, what you can first check is the height of the filter, which is also sometimes listed as the length of the filter. And you just want to measure from the bottom to the top, and that's going to be 31 1/8 inches. The next thing that you want to look at is the diameter, which is sometimes listed as the outer diameter, and that's just right across the filter. This is going to be 10 1/16 on this one. And then the inner diameter is going to be 6 inches even. And that's all you need to know for the measurements on the filter. What you may also see is on the top of the filter, like with our filters, we have our model number here. And then of course it says made in the USA. And if you find another model number, here's some common model numbers that you'll find for replacement filters. Pentair is R173216. And then the model number for the Pleatco replacement, if you have a Pleatco replacement, is going to be the PAP150, and that's PAP150, PAP150. For the Filbur, it's going to be FC-0687, and then for the Unicel, it's going to be C-9415. And we'll list those on this video as well. So you can look it up by model number on our website, Atomic Filters, and you can also look it up by the size as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment in the video. And this is Kevin with Atomic Filters. All our filters are made in the USA, and you can find them at atomicfilters.com. Thanks for tuning in.